Hello guys, this is HP OMEN 15EK0022TX. Let's open the box. These are some laptop manuals. Let's keep them aside. Taking out the laptop from the box. Removing the cover. Let's keep them aside. Wow, such a beautiful OMEN logo. Removing the black cover. It has 15.6-inch Full HD, 300Hz, 100% sRGB display. At the top, there is HP Wide Vision 720p HD camera, with integrated dual-array digital microphone. It has NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 with Max-Q design with Intel i7 10th generation processor with 16GB DDR4 RAM. It comes with 1TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. It has full-size 4-zone RGB backlit keyboard. Please like, share this video and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.